The meninges refer to the membranous coverings of the brain and spinal cord. There are 3 layers of meninges, known as the Dura Mater, Arachnoid Mater, and Pia Mater. These coverings have 2 major functions. The first one is providing a supportive framework for the cerebral and cranial vasculature. The other one is acting with cerebrospinal fluid to protect the CNS from mechanical damage. In this video, we'll talk about Dura Mater. Dura Mater is the outermost layer of the meninges, lying directly underneath the bones of the skull and vertebral column. It is thick, tough, and inextensible. Within the cranial cavity, the dura contains 2 connective tissue sheets. The periosteal layer lines the inner surface of the bones of the cranium. Meningeal layer. Deep in the periosteal layer, inside the cranial cavity. It is the only layer present in the vertebral column. Between these 2 layers, the dural venous sinuses are located. They are responsible for the venous vasculature of the cranium, draining into the internal jugular veins. When it covers the spinal cord, it is known as the dural sac or thecal sac. Unlike cranial Dura Mater, spinal Dura Mater only has 1 layer, known as the meningeal layer. The Dura Mater has 4 areas of infolding. Tentorium cerebelli. Tentorium cerebelli exists between and separates the cerebellum and brainstem from the occipital lobes of the cerebrum. The Fulks cerebra. The Fulks cerebra separates the 2 hemispheres of the brain. It is located in the longitudinal cerebral fissure between the hemispheres. Fulks cerebelli. Fulks cerebelli is a vertical dural infolding that lies inferior to the Cerebelli Tentorium in the posterior part of the posterior cranial fossa. It partially separates the cerebellar hemispheres. Diaphragma sellae. Diaphragma sellae is the smallest infolding. It covers the pituitary gland and the sella turcica. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.